The Dacia Duster, 2024, an SUV that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get adventure-ready wheels. This thing is built for every road, every trip, every budget. Whether you're tackling city traffic or venturing into the wild unknown, the Duster is up for the challenge. Dacia has taken everything people love about the Duster, the rugged design, no-nonsense performance, and unbeatable value, and made it even better for 2024. Sleeker looks, smarter features, same unstoppable attitude. But here's the deal. If you want your Duster to stay in top shape, you've got to take care of it. That's exactly why we're here today. Stick around as we dive into the essential tips to keep your Duster running smoothly for years to come. And before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe to Supercar, because we've got plenty more expert car content coming your way. Power and performance ready for any terrain. The 2024 Duster is no slouch when it comes to tackling different terrains. Whether you're driving on a gravel road or navigating a challenging mountain path, this vehicle is designed to handle it all with ease. It's available with a range of powertrain options, including both petrol and diesel engines. These engines are engineered to deliver robust performance and efficiency, ensuring that you have the power you need when you need it. There's a Duster engine to suit everyone's needs. Whether you prefer the punchy response of a petrol engine or the long-distance efficiency of a diesel, Dacia has you covered. For those seeking greater fuel efficiency, the hybrid variant is a welcome addition. This innovative option combines the best of both worlds, offering the power of a traditional engine with the eco-friendly benefits of electric power. This hybrid system not only reduces emissions, but also enhances the Duster's off-road prowess. The electric motor provides additional torque at lower revs, making it even more capable when the terrain gets tough. The electric motor provides additional torque at lower revs, making it even more capable when the terrain gets tough. Whether you're climbing a steep hill or overcoming rocky terrain, the Duster's hybrid system ensures you have the power and control you need. Dacia has also made improvements to the Duster's suspension. These enhancements provide a smoother ride, absorbing bumps and shocks to keep you comfortable even on the roughest roads. This ensures a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Whether you're driving on a cobblestone street or an uneven country road, the Duster's suspension system works tirelessly to keep the ride smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring unpaved paths, the Duster is up to the task. Its versatile design and robust engineering make it the perfect companion for any journey, ensuring you can go wherever the road takes you with confidence and ease. Keeping your Duster pristine. Simple maintenance tips. One of the Duster's most appealing qualities is its ease of maintenance. This is a vehicle designed to be as hassle-free as possible. Keeping your Duster in top condition doesn't require a mechanic's degree. Regular washing will keep the exterior looking its best, especially after off-road adventures. Checking the engine oil and coolant levels regularly is also crucial. These simple checks can prevent potential issues down the line. Don't neglect your tire pressure. Maintaining the correct tire pressure ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency. The Duster's robust build means it can withstand demanding conditions. Section 4. Duster Goes Green, Eco-Friendly Features. Dacia has made significant strides in incorporating eco-friendly features into the 2024 Duster. The hybrid powertrain option is a testament to this commitment to sustainability. The Duster utilizes recycled materials in its construction. This reduces the vehicle's overall environmental impact. Fuel efficiency has also been improved across the range. This not only saves you money at the pump, but also reduces harmful emissions. Dacia understands that being environmentally conscious is no longer a choice but a necessity. The 2024 Duster reflects this understanding by offering a compelling package that is both affordable and kind to the planet. Section 5. Tech-savvy and feature-packed terrain control and beyond. Don't let its rugged simplicity fool you. The 2024 Duster comes equipped with a host of modern features. The standout is the terrain control function, which allows you to adjust the car's settings to suit different driving conditions. This system optimizes traction and stability on surfaces like mud, snow, or sand. The Duster also boasts an updated infotainment system with a user-friendly interface. Features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration make staying connected on the go effortless. Dacia has managed to strike a balance between incorporating technology seamlessly without overcomplicating the driving experience. the Duster remains an intuitive and enjoyable vehicle to drive. Section 6. The Sleep Pack, your gateway to outdoor adventures. For those who love to embrace the great outdoors, the optional sleep pack is a game changer. This ingenious accessory transforms the Duster into a comfortable sleeping space for two. The pack includes a mattress, blackout curtains, and ample storage space. It's perfect for spontaneous camping trips or weekend getaways. The sleep pack highlights the Duster's versatility and its appeal to those with an adventurous spirit. It's a testament to Dacia's understanding of its customers' needs and their desire to explore the world around them. With the sleep pack, the Duster becomes more than just a car, it becomes a gateway to unforgettable experiences. Section 7. Built to last, the Dacia Duster, your reliable companion. The Dacia Duster has earned a reputation for its reliability and durability. Over the years it has become synonymous with ruggedness and dependability, making it a favorite among drivers who seek a vehicle that can handle both urban environments and off-road adventures with equal ease. The 2024 model continues this legacy, offering a vehicle built to withstand the test of time. With enhanced features and improved performance, the new Duster is designed to meet the demands of modern drivers while staying true to its roots. Its robust construction and simple mechanics make it inherently dependable. The Duster's engineering focuses on durability, ensuring that it can tackle the toughest terrains without compromising on comfort or safety. The Duster is a car you can rely on, whether for your daily commute or adventurous expeditions. Its versatility is one of its strongest points, allowing it to seamlessly transition from city streets to country roads. Its affordability, coupled with its low running costs, makes it a sensible choice for budget-conscious individuals and families. The Duster offers great value for money, providing a reliable and stylish vehicle without breaking the bank. The Dacia Duster proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to own a capable and stylish vehicle. It combines practicality with a touch of elegance, making it an attractive option for a wide range of drivers. It's a car that delivers on its promises, offering a blend of practicality, affordability, and a touch of adventure. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or exploring the great outdoors, the Dacia Duster is your reliable companion, ready to take on any journey with confidence and style.